Our video is on the Cretaceous time period in Africa. Before the Cretaceous time period, the Earth's geographical formation was called Pangaea. All of the continents known to us today were merged into one big supercontinent. Around that time, post-Pangaea, there was an earthquake that shifted all of the continents into the Triassic formation and eventually into the Jurassic formation. Due to the alignment of the tectonic plates over time, it led to the formation of the continents during the Cretaceous period. The populations of organisms in Africa had grown significantly due to the fact of constant reproduction of our fauna in Africa, like the Nigersaurus, the Cryptops, and the sauropod dinosaurs. In the continent of Africa, the carnivore dinos, like the Cryptops, would often eat dinos like the Nigersaurus and the sauropod dinosaur. The herbivores would eat plants like the honeysuckle tree, the sugar bush, the horsetail restio, and the staghorn fern. My continent included plenty of biodiversity, with its various species of fauna and flora. Biodiversity is the variety of living organisms in an ecosystem. It is very important to keep or maintain biodiversity because even if one species may go extinct in a population, they lose a food source or a producer. It can lead to another species dying or less energy or a rip or shift of energy in our ecosystem. Ways we can help restore biodiversity is habitat restoration, or we can decrease our invasive species. Invasive species are species that are not native to a specific land or place. An invasive species may come into our ecosystem or our environment and could end up taking some of our food sources, which could lead to some of our dinosaurs dying out. This causes a rip in the population, and eventually, in the long term, it's really bad for our environment. In Africa, some of our summers can get to excruciating heats, which can cause some of our vegetation to die out. This is bad because our herbivore organisms have one less food source to live off of and to maintain themselves. In our continent, our biotic components, like our plants and animals, live off of our abiotic factors, like the soil and water.